Hello everyone, myself Nishkarsh Krishan pursuing BTech from branch Computer Science final year. In this video I am presenting my seminar topic, that is graphene batteries. So the contents of my presentation are: what is graphene, discovery of graphene, what is graphene batteries, advantages of graphene batteries, graphene versus lithium ion batteries, graphene battery, and the future scope of graphene batteries. Now first I would like to tell about graphene, then we move on to graphene batteries. So what is graphene? A graphene is composition of carbon atoms tightly bonded in hexagonal or honeycomb like structure. What makes graphene so unique is that this structure is just one atomic layer thick, essentially making a graphene sheet two-dimensional. Graphene is also one of the strongest material in the known universe with a tensile strength of 130 gigapascals. It is more than 100 times stronger than steel. So the picture shows graphene atoms are arranged in honeycomb pattern. Next we have the discovery of graphene. The two researchers in 2004, Andrew Geim and Konstantin Novoselov, created graphene for the first time. The method is called Scotch tape method. A roll of tape is used to remove layers of graphite composed of loosely bonded graphite sheets until only a single layer remains graphene. So the picture shows a roll of Scotch tape where a researcher is peeling tape with layer of graphite away from a larger piece. Next we have what is graphene battery. The structure of graphene batteries is like that of traditional batteries, where two electrodes and an electrolyte solution are used to facilitate ion transfer. It possesses the ability to hold the charge longer, thus improving the battery's lifespan. A graphene battery can be light, durable, and suitable for high capacity energy storage as well as shortened charging times. It can be used in future electric cars for better range and kilometers. Next, we have the advantages of graphene batteries. So, the advantages are smaller, slimmer battery, thermal management, higher capacity, greater safety, faster charging time, and are inexpensive. Then, next, we have graphene versus lithium ion batteries. So graphene batteries have faster charging time than the lithium ion batteries. Graphene batteries are inexpensive than the lithium ion batteries. Graphene batteries have less overheating issues while lithium ion batteries have more overheating issues. Graphene batteries have shorter charge cycles than the lithium ion batteries. Graphene batteries have high capacity energy storage while lithium ion batteries have low capacity energy storage. Next we have the Samsung Graphene's battery research. The Samsung Graphene Ball battery, utilizing their graphene ball material for both the anode protective layer and cathode material in lithium ion batteries, shows serious improvements over their previous batteries. The new technology boosts a 45% of increase in capacity as well as charging speed 5 times faster than older models due to the efficient structure of graphene, allowing the rapid travel of electricity across its surface. According to Samsung's newsroom, the battery provides most promise for the next generation secondary battery market, particularly related to mobile device and electric vehicles. Considering Samsung's recent trends, this advancement would likely be seen greatly in the smartphone industry, and as started by Samsung Advanced Institute of Technology, the battery can maintain a stable temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, which makes it ideal for use in electric vehicles. This fact may also make the battery a possibility for future models of Tesla electric cars. So, picture shows the graphene ball material used in Samsung's graphene battery. Next, we have the future scope of graphene batteries. In terms of efficiency, graphene based batteries are quickly becoming comparable to conventional solid state batteries thanks to the continuous advancements in graphene batteries. It will now not be long before they outperform their solid state predecessors. In recent forecasts, the world graphene battery market is expected to reach $115 million by 2025, growing at a rate of 38.4% during the forecast period. The automotive industry is estimated to dominate the market throughout the analysis period. Geographically, Europe is expected to be the leading market in 2016 with a revenue contribution of around 38%. Thank you. I hope you enjoy my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel and do comments to let me know.